Hello everyone. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today po we will be answering an expression which would occur in calculus subjects. Okay? So how do we simplify this type of an expression? Okay. The first thing we need to do here is in the numerator, we just have to distribute negative x. Okay, so what will happen? This becomes, you just copy x plus 1 to the power of 1 half. Then you distribute minus negative x to 1. So that is minus x over 2. Or, shall I say, 1 half x. Then copy x plus 1 to the power of negative 1 half. All over. Okay. What is x plus 1 raised to 1 half, then raised to the second power? So you can cancel 2. So you have now x plus 1 only. Okay? So we just enclose the two parentheses. So what's next? Okay. Now as you observe, we have now two terms, no? So what are we going to do is to look for their common, which is what? Ano ba dapat nating i-remove dito if magpa-factor tayo dito sa numerator na to? Diba? Yung common nila is yung x plus 1, correct? So, kung titingnan mo, ito ay positive, raised to a positive 1 half, dito, raised to the negative 1 half. Now, if that is the thing, we could still recall the factoring by removing the common monomial factor. So, ito yung mas maliit negative yung exponent. So, yan yung i-remove out natin. So, ang mangyayari dyan, you have x plus 1 to the power of negative 1 half. Then, we enclose that one. Okay. So, kung ito yung i-remove out natin, ano na lang ba ang matitira dito? You have what? You have x plus 1. Correct? Kasi kung i-multiply mo ito, they have the same bases. What you are going to do is you add the exponent. May 1 exponent dito eh. So negative 1, 1 half, plus 1 is positive 1 half. Correct? Okay. So ano ba ang matitira dito kung ilalabas natin si ito? So, minus 1 half x na lang. Correct? Then, we copy x plus 1. Okay, can you follow? Again, bakit x plus 1 lang yan dito? Kasi, may exponent na 1 dyan eh, no? Pareho sila ng base, x plus 1. Kung i-add natin yung exponent nila, negative 1 half plus 1, 1 half lang yan, no? Or, shall we say 1 minus 1 half, 1 half lang yan dyan. So, are we through? Tapos na ba tayo? Take note, you should have to answer this carefully, no? Kasi, magkatulad din ito dito doon sa calculus nyo, no? Especially nung sa limit theorem, no? If you will find the derivative using the limit definition, you would see problems like this. Okay. Tapos na ba tayo? Hindi pa. So, what are we going to do next? Okay. So, here, ibababa natin ito. So, ang matitira dyan sa ibabaw, you have x plus 1 minus 1 half x all over x plus 1. Ibababa natin yan, magiging positive yung exponent. X plus 1 to the power of 1 half. Okay? Can you still follow? Or hindi kayo makafollow? So, anong mangyayari dito? You can have, what is x plus 1 minus 1 over x? Okay. So, may 1 dito si x, di ba? So, 1 minus 1 half x. You have 1 half x. Copy 1 all over x plus 1. What is 1 plus 1 half? That is 3 over 2. Am I correct? Tama ba ako o hindi? Kung hindi ako tama, kailan ba ako magiging tama? Two. Correct ba tayo dito? Kindly observe. Okay. Ano bang kulang natin dyan? Sige. Sige nga. Ano bang kulang natin dito? Any idea? Okay. Ito, x plus 1 minus 1 half x. So, kung pwede natin yan siyang isulat ng ganito. I-add natin. Kunin natin yung LCD. Okay. So, ito, 2 times x, you have 2x. 2 times 1, so plus 2. Then you have minus x. Kuha niyo, class? So, what will happen next? You have, you copy 2. Pasensya na po kayo sa mga manok namin dito. Marami lang talaga akong manok. What is 2x minus x? You have x plus 2. So, all over x plus 1 to the power of 3 halves. Are we through? Not yet. We should bring down the denominator 2 here. So, our final answer would be x plus 2 all over 2 times x plus 1 to the power of 3 halves. So, that's the final answer. Okay? I hope may na-learn kayo dito, no? So, it's kinda difficult, but you need to solve this slowly and properly, no? Kasi kung magkakamali na kayo dito agad, sureness mali na kayong answer ninyo, di ba? Okay, I will give another example so that para ma-enjoy niyo yung video ko, no? We'll give you another example. So, I really hope I will just erase the first example and then you jot down, no? So I will give you another example. I hope no more questions. If none, I will give you the example number 2. Okay, dapat yung mga elementary magsusolve na ng ganito, no? Para enjoy. Okay, I will give you here. X minus 1 to the power of 2 third minus x 2 third times x minus 1 to the power of negative 1 third close bracket all over x minus 1 to the power of 2 third raised to the second power. Okay. Again, this is very helpful to those who will take calculus, no? So, okay. So, what would be our first step here? The same as what we did in our first example. Okay. Yung sa na to, we just simply distribute x to the 2 third. Okay? Just the same. So, ang mangyayari, you have, i-copy nyo lang yan, x minus 1 to the power of 2 third, then minus 2x over 3 times x minus 1 to the negative 1 third, all over x minus 1, 2 third times 2, you have 4 over 4 to the power of 3. Okay? So, patuloy tayo. Next step natin is magfa-factor tayo sa numerator. Ano bang since pareho sila ng base na x minus 1, ano yung ilalabas natin? Ha? Ano bang ilalabas natin dyan? Yung may negative na exponent. Kasi yun yung mas maliit na exponent eh. So, ang mangyayari dito, ito na yon. Labas natin si x minus 1 to the power of negative 1/3. Ito, ilalabas natin to. So, ano lang ba ang matitira dito sa first term dito? Okay. Ano ba? You have x minus 1 na lang, no? Kasi, assume that there is an exponent 1 here. So, 1 minus 1/3, that is 2/3. Correct? So, copy minus. So, kung ilalabas natin to si x minus 1 to the power of negative 1/3, ang matitira dyan is yung 2x over 3 na lang. So, you copy x minus 1 to the power of 4/3. Okay. The same steps on our first example. Ibababa natin to, then simplify the numerator. So, this becomes x minus 1 minus 2x over 3 all over x minus 1 to the power of 4/3. Ibababa natin yan. So, x minus 1 to the power of 1/3. Okay? The same steps. So, what's next? We simplify the numerator. So, that is x times 3, you have 3x. Negative 1 times 3 minus 3 minus 2x all over 3. Then, you have x minus 1. What is 4/3 plus 1/3? You have 5 over 3. Okay? Then, simplify further. You have here, copy 3. 3x minus 2x is x. Then you copy minus 3. Then copy the denominator x minus 1 to the power of 5/3. Okay? Then simplify further. Get your final answer. You have x minus 3 whole over 3 times x minus 1 to the power of 5/3. So this is your final answer. I hope that you've learned a lot from this example, no? So, I know makakatulong to in your review in algebra and in preparation for your calculus. No, lalong-lalo na in the differential calculus or calculus 1. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you will share it and like it to your friends. And then, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Barry Umongos. Salamat po! Amping tatanan!